And in terms of other trends, it's quite interesting. Had we had this conference, you'd all been sitting, we'd gone back in our TARDIS 2 years ago, then I should imagine there'd be a big obsession about ICOs and raising money. So I suppose that's one of the first questions I've got that I'd like to ask you guys. How has the market changed in the last couple of years? Seema, have you got any thoughts on that and where we were and now where we are now in terms of a trend?
Yeah, absolutely. So if we're talking about blockchain specifically or DLT technologies, I would say, I'm talking from my own experience here. In 2016, when we were looking to explore the technology because of its zero-knowledge storage, its high level of encryption and all of those sorts of things, it was a super nascent technology, right? You were going into meetings, you were talking to investors, potential partners, and you were having to educate them. Most of the meeting was around what is DLT, what is blockchain. What we have seen after 2016 is real sort of, because of the adoption, and we've, by, I would say corporates as well, it's actually become a serious contender. And I think everyone agrees now that it's here to stay. And what's been quite great for projects like our project is that the craze that was around the ICOs, it was really tough to get away from that and talk about blockchain as actually a valid technology type. So it's actually a really refreshing thing and great to be starting from here where there's a real reason why we're using the technology versus the craziness that was around it on raising money.